Any scoop? Pardon me. I mean, what's going on these days in your life? Nothing much special. Nowadays I'm looking for a good life partner. That's interesting. Please tell me something. What kind of life partner do you want? I don't want to see more qualities in my partner, but yes, he must look handsome. He should be literate and kind person. Okay. Kind person. Also, what features would you like to see? He should do the literature of the youngest and elders, and he should do the literature of his in-laws. And what about the literate? I mean, how educated he must be? Not much, but he does work on a good post, so that he can fulfill all the needs of my life that I want. How much salary do you expect to him?
Subscribe to my channel.
It makes no odds to me that how much he is earning, but at least he can survive my whole needs. What type of needs? How silly question is it? Like seriously, you better know what kind of needs. You are also a girl. Oh, I mean, would you want your life partner to spend extravagance? No, not at all. Even I'll compromise with him in volatile situation. That's good idea. So how much love do you expect to him? Sometimes I feel like you are crazy just cause of your silly question, but never mind. Yeah, he loves me a lot. May he never let tears fall in my eyes. So this is your little demand for your future partner? Yeah, but what's the funny about that? Nothing. You are very clever. You asked me everything in words, but you didn't tell anything about yourself? Okay, what do you want to know about me? Yike. My name is Lizzie from England. Not your intro. I know you inside out. Just tell me something. Your boyfriend? Boyfriend? Who said that I've a boyfriend? Your action said.
Subscribe to my channel.
Oh come on, dear, I don't have boyfriend, but yeah, I've a girlfriend. Like seriously, who's that girl? She is a bit stubborn, but yeah, she has a good heart. Lizzie, be in your limit. Am I look you stubborn? Relax. How do you know that I was talking about you? That mean you know that you are? Yeah, sure. I know. It's good, I don't have to explain much. You understood everything. Okay, let it be, and just tell me about your life partner. What qualities do you want to expect? Well, I don't want much qualities, but he must be handsome. He loves me and my parents. How is romantic? Smiling face with smiling eyes. He takes care of my all needs of life, and he gives me surprise which make me happy. Surprise. Okay, what will happen if your life partner come to you and brings a girlfriend in front of you and says surprise? No, I don't want such kind of shocked surprise. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry for that. I was just kidding you. Never mind, you can say anything as being my friend. Thanks for giving me this honor. It's your kindness.
So what have you learned from this video?
Please tell me in comments box.
Thanks for watching video.